ChatGPT went down today, and for a few terrifying hours, the corporate world was forced to use their own brains. The global outage wasn't just a meme fest, it was a sobering glimpse into our crippling dependency on AI. Projects halted, deadlines were missed, and a wave of collective panic proved that for many, AI isn't just an assistant, it's a crutch. This is the hidden cost of outsourcing our thinking. We've become so reliant on these tools for basic tasks that a single server crash can bring entire departments to a standstill. The incident raises a critical question for every professional. Have we optimized ourselves into incompetence? If your productivity plummets when your AI is down, are you still in control of your work? Or are you just a passenger in a car you can't drive? The memes were funny, but the reality is terrifying. Are you prepared for the next blackout?
Your office is drowning in work slop, and it's costing your company millions. A new Stanford study just gave a name to that polished but pointless AI-generated content flooding your inbox: work slop. It's created by AI passengers, employees who offload tasks to AI without critical thought. This isn't just annoying, it's an invisible tax on productivity, costing companies over $9 million a year per 10,000 employees. While AI pilots use the tech to enhance their skills, passengers are creating a digital landfill that erodes trust and makes everyone's job harder. Over one-half of workers now view colleagues who send work slop as less capable and reliable. So before you copy-paste that ChatGPT response into Slack, ask yourself, are you a pilot or are you part of the problem? Your reputation and your company's bottom line depend on the answer. Which one are you?
The U.S. Senate just dropped a bombshell report on AI, and they used ChatGPT to help write it. In the most ironic twist of 2025, a Senate report warning that AI could eliminate 100 million jobs was partially researched using ChatGPT. The report, led by Bernie Sanders, predicts that 89% of fast food jobs, 83% of customer service reps, and 80% of secretaries will be replaced within a decade. The AI itself helped identify the industries it's about to decimate. This isn't a distant sci-fi scenario. It's a government-level confirmation of the massive workforce disruption that's already underway. The report calls for radical policy changes like a 32-hour work week and a $17 minimum wage to soften the blow. But when the government is using the tool that's causing the crisis to diagnose it, you have to wonder who's really in charge. Are we ready for this?
AI just resurrected Tupac to go shopping at Target, and the internet is rightfully furious. A viral video of an AI-generated Tupac casually browsing the aisles of Target has sparked a massive backlash, and it's a huge red flag for the future of work. This isn't just a creepy deepfake, it's a glimpse into an ethical nightmare for marketing, advertising, and entertainment. If you can resurrect a deceased icon to implicitly endorse a brand, where does it stop? This controversy highlights a growing public resistance to synthetic media. For professionals, it's a critical lesson. Just because AI can do something doesn't mean it should. Using AI without considering the ethical and cultural implications is a brand-destroying mistake. The Tupac video crossed a line, and it's a warning to every company trying to leverage AI for creative work. Is your brand prepared for this new reality?
Meghan Markle just gave a masterclass in how to destroy your personal brand in 15 seconds. A viral video of Meghan Markle with her feet up in a limo filmed near the site of Princess Diana's fatal crash has caused a massive social media firestorm. The backlash was instant and brutal, with critics calling it tone-deaf and insensitive. For professionals, this is a powerful real-time lesson in brand management. In the age of AI and instant communication, Every piece of content you post is scrutinized. A single misstep, a moment of poor judgment can undo years of carefully crafted reputation building. This isn't just celebrity gossip, it's a case study in the high-stakes game of online perception. It proves that authenticity is crucial, but self-awareness is paramount. Before you post, think about the context. Your career could depend on it. What do you think? Was it a mistake?
Stop worrying about AI taking your job in the future. It's already happened to half of the tech industry. While everyone else is debating the future of AI, a bombshell report from Indeed and Glassdoor reveals the devastation is already here. Over half of all tech workers say their roles have been significantly redefined or they've been reassigned due to AI. Even more shocking, 1 in 4 have been laid off and directly replaced by artificial intelligence. This isn't a warning, it's a reality check. The jobs once considered the safest and most future-proof are proving to be the most vulnerable. The AI revolution isn't a slow-moving wave, it's a tsunami that has already crashed into the heart of the tech world. This data proves that no industry is safe, and the pace of change is faster than anyone predicted. Is your profession next on the chopping block?
Your company is spending billions on AI to manage the people it's about to fire. Here's the biggest irony in the business world right now. Global investment in HR technology is up a staggering 60%, driven almost entirely by AI. Companies are pouring money into sophisticated AI platforms to manage recruitment, employee performance, and internal communications. At the same time, these very companies are using AI to automate tasks and eliminate jobs, leading to mass layoffs. They are literally buying the software to manage the people they are actively making redundant. This isn't just a paradox, it's a cold, calculated business strategy. It shows that the C-suite sees employees not as assets to be developed, but as resources to be managed, optimized, and ultimately replaced. The message is clear. The future of HR isn't about humans. It's about managing the transition to a machine-run workforce.
That AI-generated email you just sent is making your coworkers hate you. Think that perfectly worded AI-generated email makes you look smart? Think again. A new Stanford study on work slop reveals it's actually destroying your reputation. When you send AI-generated content without adding your own insights, your colleagues don't see you as efficient, they see you as lazy, less capable, and unreliable. This erosion of trust has a real financial cost, creating an invisible tax of wasted time and effort as your team tries to decipher the soulless, generic content. The study found that receiving work slop makes people feel annoyed, confused, and even offended. In a world where collaboration is key, outsourcing your communication to a robot is the fastest way to alienate your team. So write your own emails. Your relationships and your career depend on it. Are you guilty of sending work slop?
The government is shut down, and it's the worst possible time for it. While politicians in Washington are stuck in a budget standoff, a technological revolution is happening without any oversight. The government shutdown has effectively paused all serious discussions on AI regulation. This couldn't come at a worse time. Today, a Senate report warned that 100 million jobs are at risk from AI, and companies are adopting the technology at a breakneck pace. We are in the most critical period of AI-driven job displacement in history, and the one body that could set guardrails is completely paralyzed. This policy vacuum means corporations are free to deploy AI however they see fit, with no thought for the long-term consequences for workers or society. The government is asleep at the wheel, and we're all heading towards a cliff. Who's going to regulate the robots?